In front of me is an HTC Desire 19 Plus, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you first boot up the device, once you get it, you'll be presented with this welcome screen. So number one, you get to choose the language, tap on the drop down, and here you have all the language choices. Now I'm gonna stick with English, so I'm just gonna go back and let's go. And the next thing you'll see is the Wi-Fi connection. So now, because I actually did a reset of the device and didn't log out of Google, I need to confirm my Google account later on, so I cannot skip it. But if you choose to, you should have a skip button either on the left or right. So just tap on that if you wish to not log into Google or not connect to Wi-Fi. So just connect to network right here. Okay, so as you can see, I need to verify it. Now, if you have a new device, this won't appear. This is just because I didn't log out of Google before I reset the device. So I'm just gonna quickly verify it. I'm gonna put in the password. And there we go. So now that it's verified, I'm gonna use new account. So once you connect to Wi-Fi, you will see this thing here. So the option to sign into Google. I'm gonna skip this for now, but you can do that if you want to. And from here you have date and time. Now setting this up is completely optional. If you put in a SIM card into the device, the time will be set automatically, or if you connect to Wi-Fi, which I am right now, that's why it's also correct. Now if you choose not to connect to Wi-Fi and you don't have a SIM card, then the time and date will be incorrect, but the moment you connect to either of those, it will automatically set it. So you can completely disregard this till the time that you, for instance, connect to Wi-Fi. And now you have the Google services, so you can disable or enable all the services. You can also read them up if you wish to find out what it does exactly. And for stuff like localization, you can actually turn it on and off in notification panel. So let's just tap on accept here, protect your phone, and this is just a way for you to add security to your device. So you can either have a screen lock, so PIN, password or pattern, and you can also add a fingerprint or face unlock. Now if you add face unlock or fingerprint, you will also need to set up either a fingerprint, not fingerprint, but PIN, pattern, or password. Either of those will always need one of the physical ways to unlock, so the ones that, for instance, won't change, that you can remember. Or you can completely skip it altogether. Now I'm gonna set up a fingerprint along with step on next, along with pattern. Now, like I said, you can choose whichever one you want. You have a choice between PIN, pattern, and password. I just chose pattern. So I just draw that, tap next, redraw the same pattern, confirm, and I can get to scan my finger on the back sensor. So you want to start tapping on it, get a good read of your entire finger from all the edges in the middle of it for the best chance to unlock your device. So the phone has your entire fingerprint. And once you're done, we'll come here, fingerprint added, and we can tap on next, terms of service next, and agree. Here you have some HTC account. Now we can skip this for now. There we go. Step on next and keep the name as it is. And we're almost done. And there we go, we're now on the home screen. So that is how you would go through the setup process of the device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.